Ladies and gentlemen, for the first portion of your halftime entertainment, please welcome to the field the Rains High School Wildcat Marching Band. The band is under the field command of Senior Drum Major Ty Jacobs. The Wildcat Marching Band will be performing musical selections from their 2020 UIL competition show, City of Light, featuring music from a city known for its rich culture, Paris, France. Drum Major Ty Jacobs, is your band ready? Wildcat Band, please take the field in performance. The Rains High School Band. The band is under the direction of Daniel Curry. Assistant directors are Brett Ryan and Kristen McMullen. Let's hear it one more time for the Rains High School Band.